Good day to all my friends, subscribers, and viewers. Welcome to our channel. We have a new listing, guys. This is 11,438 square meters. Clean title. Located in Barangay Kabantian, Gindulman, Bohol, in the hills of Kabantian. So, nindot ni siya, guys. Overlooking, ideal for a warehouse development or a house development. Kung pwede ka maghimo dyan ka o balay diha, okay ra gid kayo. Pero guys, ang majority sa property, kini ra gyud nagbakilid gyud siya. It's sloping downhill. Then if you build a house or rest house, pinahanging gyud na guys, murag imo running murag depende sa pag-develop nimo. Although ang sakyanan paingon sa ibabaw going up can still can go to the property, no? Because as you can see, there is also a like a mountain resort beside or near to the property, no? Na ay guys, na ay restaurant, no? Overlooking a restaurant nas kinaibabuan na gini guys. So ang akong sakyanan nga Wigo Toyota nakasud man dire. So meaning pwede ra gid ni. So kini nga side guys, no? Paingon dito kanang naidahang labong kana. So nindot man gyud honestly, no? Mao man gyud ang property na manang restaurant. Kung moadto ka dito mag-overlooking sa kasadagat guys, kana makita nimo nga dagat, no? So mao na akong contact number, mao na akong email address. Pinabakilid gini guys. Pero actually pwede ra gid ka maka-develop sa property. Clean title good guys nya. Klarong-klaro yun nga clean title. Then kini nga property ideal gini sa pang residential or rest house. Presko mang hangin imong gusto nya, overlooking nindot kayo. 1.5 million pesos only. And net limpyo na, no? Di na pwede mo bayad siya, meaning all expenses to transfer from seller to the buyer is on the account of the buyer side. So sige lang, in the future kung unsa magali, magpainalay lang kita. Okay, thank you and God bless to all. Happy viewing. Bye.